This is the Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop. This laptop comes in many variants, but the laptop I'm going to be reviewing today is the 1650 Ti version of the laptop. This laptop will cost you around 1,500 Australian dollars or 1,000 US dollars. In terms of ports and I/O, on the right side of the laptop there is a Kingston lock slot and a USB 2.0 port. On the right side you'll find a HDMI port, two USB 3.2 Type A ports, a USB-C port, an Ethernet port, and a headphone/microphone jack. In the back you'll find an area for fan exhaust. On the bottom side of the laptop there is a Honeycomb Design which aids the strength of the laptop, holes for air intake, 5 rubber feet, and 2 speaker grills. Opening up the laptop, you'll see the keyboard, trackpad, and laptop screen. The screen is a 1080p display with a refresh rate of 144Hz and AMD FreeSync support. Main buttons and features you'll see are the on button and the Asus logo. Alright, so it's now time to turn the laptop on. As you can see, the keyboard lights up and will originally change color. Alright, so this laptop has the, for the CPU it has the AMD Ryzen 5 4600H with Radeon graphics and the GTX 1650 Ti mobile version. Alright, so yeah, this is a nice view of the keyboard here. It looks really nice. And so this is the Armoury Crate software. So I'm going to be showing you how to change different lighting effects for the keyboard. So you press System and you go to Lighting, and you can change between like static, breathing, and cycle. And I'm about to show you what each of them look like. So this is static. This is the breathing effect. This is the strobing effect. And this is the color cycle effect. Right, so in the Armoury Crate app you can see things like the CPU and GPU stats, memory and storage usage. You can also change the fan speeds between turbo, performance silent, and Windows mode. You can turn the touchpad on and off. As you can see there, you've got a little graph showing you what the fans are currently optimized for. So you've got GPU performance, CPU performance, cooling, noise reduction. Alright, so this is just me playing some games with volume up on the laptop. This is what the speakers sound like while gaming, with the fan noise as well. Alright, so this is just the fan noise. It does get quite loud. And here's just some more gameplay if you want to watch it. Anyway, I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. Overall, I think this laptop is great, besides being a bit noisy. But if you want to purchase this laptop, I'll leave a link in the description, and make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and thanks for watching.